Hi guys, welcome back. Now the second topic is giving an interview. Now it's before interview. Before interview is equally important giving an interview. You need to keep in mind few small simple steps before getting into the interview room or before starting the interview. The first thing is have a detailed study about that company which you are giving interview for. What is it that you are reading about the company? If you are getting to know about the company beforehand, then the interviewers are really impressed. Now the second part is reach the interview spot at least 15 minutes before the interview starts. If you are from the same city, you know the routes, you know the timings, then it's well and good. If you are not from the same city, I urge you to go to the spot one day before. Note down the timings, reach at least 1 hour, 2 hours before. Third step is stay calm and relaxed. Wait for your turn to come. If you are very restless before interview, then you might end up making some mistakes in the interview room. So be calm, don't be restless, let your turn come, let it be utilized in a good sense. Step 4, this is the trick by the way. Always try to introduce yourself to the strangers you are meeting first time. Try to introduce yourself, like what is your name, what is your hobbies. Try to introduce your hobbies because you will get to know about the people and you can even prepare yourself at that moment, that point of time. Step 5, never keep an eye on watch every time. This sign is of restlessness. People outside will be watching you and they'll not feel good about it. So keeping eye on watch every time, why it is really required? You are on an interview, you are devoting your whole day, your full day in the interview. Just devote it. Why to keep watching watch? It's not required. Step 6, your resume should be properly organized, and interviewers really appreciate the systematic people. Your resume should tell everything about yourself right in the first glance. Your first glance of the resume should tell something about your quality. Watch my next video which will be on resume writing. Step 7, always carry a printout of your resume or CV. Hand it over to the interviewer even if not asked for, because your CV, your bullet points will attract him for asking those questions which you have prepared for. Step 8, if you are using a perfume, or rather you should use a perfume, but it should be a very mild one. Strong odor or bad odor irritates the interviewer. Imagine interviewer interviewing hundreds of candidates having different types of smell, different type of strong smell, so it's very irritating. Step 9, always seek permission before entering the interview room. Like if you are entering, just ask, "Sir, please may I come in?" This carries their attention towards you. And don't sit on the chair until and unless asked for. The main thing, keep your phone in silent mode. Interviewers don't entertain any phone calls or any ring, any interruptions while they interview you. Step 10, always practice. This is the most important point. Always practice the basic questions like tell me something about yourself. This is the most important and eye-catcher answer. This answer you should practice in front of mirror or in front of camera. Just record it, see it 10 times, see what mistakes you are doing, see what all things you can add it. Here you can motivate your interviewers towards the things which you have done the best.